In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a reconciliation report in Wave Accounting. This is a handy procedure for those looking to ensure their financial records are accurate and up to date. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process together, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel more confident taking charge of your financial reporting. First, let's begin by accessing the report section within Wave Accounting. On the interface of Wave, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. If you scroll through it, you'll notice a section labeled Reports. Go ahead and give that a click. This will bring you to a hub where all of your reports are organized, serving as a gateway to analyze the finer details of your financial data. Once you're in the Reports section, the next step is to locate and select Trial Balance. You'll find this option under the Detailed Reporting section, which is specifically designed to give you more precise insights into your financial standing. Clicking on Trial Balance will set you up to customize the report according to your specific needs. Now, let's move on to customizing the report. This is where you decide the scope of your data. You'll want to choose the desired date range, which should correspond with the period you need to reconcile. Additionally, you need to determine whether you want your report to reflect an accrual or cash basis. The accrual basis will provide information based on when transactions are incurred, while the cash basis reflects them when cash exchanges hands. Choosing between these depends heavily on your accounting model and what suits your business best. After deciding, simply click the Update Report button. Doing this generates the report with all your specified parameters, giving you a comprehensive overview of the transactions relevant to your needs. Once your report is generated, it's time to move on to exporting and printing it. Look for the Export option. Clicking this will allow you to download the report file, usually in a format such as CSV or Excel, perfect for further manipulation or review. Once you've downloaded the report, locate the file on your computer and open it using a spreadsheet application, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This flexibility gives you additional tools for organizing, filtering, or simply cross-referencing data. Finally, with your spreadsheet application open and the report on your screen, the last action is to print it. You'll often find this option under the File menu in your spreadsheet tool. Choose Print and ensure your print settings are tailored to how you want the final document to look, like the proper orientation and page size, ensuring a readable hard copy. And there you have it. You've successfully printed a reconciliation report from Wave Accounting, making it a reliable document for reconciliation, analysis, and record keeping. Feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need a detailed breakdown of your financial data. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for more tips and insights into managing your business finances efficiently.